thank you and Artyom for helping us. I don't know what would have become of us without you. It is a cursed place. And that's Silantius.
Don't thank us before it's all ready to go. It all hangs on Artyom now, so wish him luck.
Of course, God bless you, Artyom. And you, Stepan, thank you.
Oh, don't even mention it.
Uncle Artyom, are you going on a mission? I just wanted to ask, there, where the big tanks are, if you find my teddy bear, just in case you do, could you bring him home? A demon took him, a flying one. It was scary. They live there. It took Teddy to its children. I miss Teddy so much. I wanted to go visit him, but Mom won't let me because there are electric demons too.
Artyom, are you going to the terminal? You might meet Duke there. He's got an observation post set up in a carriage near the bridge. Ask him for a sitrep before going in. One more thing. That tower to the right, see it? There's someone over there. I think it's the bandits. They're watching us.
We heard someone playing guitar over there. Those guys can't play for shit. Stepan wanted to take the instrument from them. They were butchering the melodies so badly. So, won't you liberate that guitar? Make an old friend happy. Stepan is a wizard with a six-string. He plays some mean classic rock. Good luck, Artyom.
I'm telling the truth. They come out at night and they lace up. So pretty. And scary too, a bit.
Perhaps you would also care for a little snack. Fuck you. You get the boat, you drink.
Nobody to pay for me. Let me go.
Fuck.
Just somebody. I'm all alone. Please, let me go.
Hey, you fucking sure?
Yes, just nobody. Please, I beg you.
Looks like the dough ain't coming. So, should we let the sod go? Sure thing.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Guys, we're getting fucking trout!
You fuck! You're going to pay for him a special price, you fucking piece of shit.
The motherfucker is here! Yeah, you fucker! The mother...
Help me! I beg you in the name of the Sultan! I'm tiny, please!
Simon, the bridge is done for. The fanatics have taken over. I was prepared to give them a quarter of the cargo, but they wouldn't even hear me out. Wanted me to leave my diesel first, and fuck that noise. I'm not pushing the platform with a fucking handcar for 200 clicks. We're neck deep in the red, though. So I'm sending Surge to you with this message. Sell the diesel to the brothers, they were offering good cash for it, and get that ferry. Or a self-propelled barge or a tugboat. Do you understand me, Simon? No haggling. As soon as the others hear about the bridge, any piece of shit that floats will be worth its weight in gold. But we could still bounce back if we do it fast. Get to it, Simon. Time is money.
Thank you. These devils got me on my way to the house of the fish. I had a penance from my father, Celandius, and so I got about halfway, and then this got me. I see you're one of the heretics, but I tell you anyway, there is a cache here, on this island. There is a device. but we can use it. It's a sin. But you could. I'll just have some rest here before I go back. I'll keep praying for you to the starfish for the rest of my life. Keep my savior soul.
And then I saw that huge thing, like real huge. It went straight for us, clanging, shrieking, smoke everywhere. I only had time to say, Lord, save us! And it broke through. We were lucky we got away alive.
That's just hellish. Running people over with a train.
Well, they are heretics. What do you expect? We tried shooting at them, but it would take a cannon to do any damage. So, Father Silentius forgave us for not doing our duty, but still gave us penance for leaving alone. Another sin. So, why did you get it?
That was my dumb mouth. She scolded me with a pot full of boiling water, and I just swore at her. Our Holy Father said he didn't make our marriage even stronger. But running my mouth like that was a great sin. So he sent me fishing. With no gun.
Don't you worry, it's a quiet place. Nobody comes here, not even the mutants, really. The Tsarfish does feed here from time to time, but we the faithful have nothing to fear.
The fish? Yeah, I don't fear them, for I hold a true faith. But the fish comes here to feed?
Yes, but the fish would never touch true believers, so no fear there. Of course, if your faith isn't strong enough, then it's another can of worms. The fish feels it and gobbles the non-believer whole, and the true believer standing right next to him doesn't even get splashed. I've seen it myself.
Oh, Lord, save us.
Ah, will you just look at what the cat dragged in?
A heretic! Lucifer's light! Ah!
Hey, turn that off! It's a sin! Well, I'll be. He doesn't turn his satanic light on us. His gun is holstered. He's a human after all, even though he is a heretic. He has some sense even. His soul may not be completely lost.
You wish. Do they even have a soul, them heretics?
Look at his armor. Yeah, that's a work of Satan, all right. I wish our paladins had something like that, though. Of course.
Yeah, the boat should have come in handy. Most useful thing by far, in fact. Oh, sure, that captain gave me a few kills, but walking on ground is much more dangerous still. And the bandits look seriously intent on kicking the fanatics up the bridge. Got camps all around, the train depot, the ruins nearby, even on the power line down. I mean, they're really at it too, cutting the bridge in its throats like the chickens. Really feel sorry for the poor bastards. Fanatics are a bunch of assholes, of course. The bandits, they're far worse.